are running Facebook ads and you are not getting results, you are probably making one of these costly mistakes. But don't worry, I will show you exactly how to fix them and start making more money with your ads. Okay, so one thing is that when you want to run ads, you need to target the right audience. Okay, wrong audience will not give you the best result. And how can you fix this and get the right target audience? It's easy as a beginner or someone that just started running maybe Facebook ads or any other ads on any other platform. All what you need is that go to your chat GPT, right? And then told ChatGPT that this is the kind of product that I'm selling, this is the kind of thing that I'm promoting. Can you give me the target audience, good target audience about these things that I'm doing? Then ChatGPT will list target audience for you. Okay, so at that time, you all what you need to do is to review it and go through it, like check the one that it will work best for you. Right? When you do that, then you now go back to your ads, then add those target audience to it. Mind you, what I wanted you to know is that when you want to start running ads, put it in mind that the ads that you are starting is for test. Okay, don't expect much result from it, but have it in mind that what you are doing is correct so that you can get good results from this your ads. Okay, so the mistake that you are doing is that you are not targeting the right audience. So for you to target the right audience and you don't know who to target, okay, what are the details of the target audience that you want to use, you can just go to ChatGPT and give ChatGPT a prompt on how to target all this audience. Right. So the number two mistake that you are doing is weak ad creative, like you are using bad image or videos or copywriting. Right. See, one thing that I see about this Facebook has is that when you use image, there is no catching enough for people to see. Alright, so boring ads don't get clicks at all. If your ads or image or video don't grab attentions within 3 seconds, if it doesn't grab attention within 3 seconds, people will scroll part of your advert. Okay, they will not come to you. Right. So what you need to do is to find a image. If you have to go with image, find a image that is catchy, that when people see it, they will wanted to come to you. Alright. Or you create a short clips. Alright. You create a short clips, like short forms videos that you can post and make the video catchy. Alright. Make the video catchy. When people see the videos, they will understand what you are saying and what you are promoting to them, what you are saying to them to make them come to you. Alright. So and then add bold text to your headline for your ads. Add bold text to your headline for your ads. Okay. So when you are doing this, first thing you need to do that if you want to go with image, make it catchy. If you want to go with video, make the video creative look good, make the editing look well. Alright, so and then the one that I will recommend for you most is that using a video for your advert. You want to get good results using a video for your advert. You see this particular screenshot that I put on these videos now. You see that I having less conversion rate. Okay, the money that I'm spending is not too much, and I'm getting good results from it. And then this ad I was using video. And it is converting very well. Alright, so the mistake that you are doing here is that the creative that you are using, the copywriting, the video or the image that you are using is the problem that you are having, that you are not having good conversion. Alright, that you are spending money. So what you need to do is to create a good image or create a good video, then do the copywriting. If you don't know how to do the copywriting, ChatGPT will still do that for you. Alright, go and work on the second one, right? And it will work for you. And then the third one is bad ad copy. Messaging is not clear or persuasive for people to click on your ads. Like your ads copy should immediately tell people what your advert is all about and what they will get so that they can click on the ads. It's not that we just write long copy that people will read maybe like for 1 minute or 2 minutes. People don't get time to read. Okay, just have a short copy that will catch, that will explain everything about the advert to people for them to come into your DM. So that's the solution for it. And then if you want to fix this on how to get a short copy that will be that will be good. Okay, you have to use this formula which I call AIDA. Okay, it's attentions, interest, desire, and actions. Okay, you need to work on these things. You need to on your hook, make sure you get their attentions on your hook. Make it short, get their attentions for your hook. Then the next steps for your creative is that you need to make it interest. Okay, make people have interest in it, like it will touch that person. Okay, and then the desire and the action. The last part of your copy must be action. Let them know what to do next. Okay, so you can give them a call to action, like click on the button on the under the video, or you send direct message. Okay, that's the thing that you can do to change your Facebook hard copy. All right, the number four is poor budget allocations. When we are talking about poor budget allocations, some people will want to run ads now and they are going with maybe like $1 or $2. It will not give you the best result. Facebook will not recommend your ad to people that will be interested in your ads, because one thing is that if your budget is too low for Facebook's, okay, Facebook will not optimize your ads if your budget is too low. Like without testing, you will be burning out of cost. Okay, because Facebook will first of all test your ads with people, and then if your budget is low, your budget might have been run out, okay, before they start getting original people that will come into your DM and buy what you are selling, right? Before you start getting more views, and whenever the ad stops and you put another money, the ads will still start again, and you will not get a lot of result from that ad. That's why you need to put maybe like you need to start maybe like with $5 or $10. If you are in Nigeria and you want to start, I will advise you to go with 5,000 naira upwards. Start with 5,000 naira for testing. Okay, so to fix that, you need to start with just 5,000 naira upward. Okay, so if you want to use dollar to make the payment, you need to start with $5 upward or $10 to start testing. Every ad is for testing. Okay, so when the ad is doing well, like scale it gradually. The ad that is winning, all what you need to do is to change the budget. If you are using $5, you can just increase the budget to like $7 or $8 to get more good cuts to customers to come into your DM. And then the last part of this video is retargeting. When you are posting adverts, people that come into your DM will not buy what you are selling immediately. So how will you be able to target all these people again? So that's what we call retargeting adverts. So meeting people at first, they will not buy what you are selling. So to fix this, you need to retarget. So you need to set up retargeting for people when you are creating your advert. Some people don't know how to do this, and maybe in my next video I can create a full tutorial on Facebook advert, on how to run Facebook advert, to do this retargeting advert, to target people that you have been into your DM before, okay, or the people that have seen your advert but didn't click, so that you can retarget them again and make a lot of sales for yourself and make money online. If you find this video helpful, just hit the like button and subscribe for more digital marketing tips. And if you want me to review maybe your Facebook ad strategy that you are using, so drop a comment below and I will attend to you, like help you check your review on Facebook ads that you wanted to do.